Hi, and thanks for joining us today. Today we're going to talk about Mentio and how to use it on Microsoft Teams. To get started, I want to tell you a little bit about Mentio, and then we'll go into a demo. Mentio is a discussion board for deep business discussions with teams, customers, partners, whether it be while you're working at your desk, with small teams, with large teams, spread out across the globe, or remote working. On Mentio, you can ask questions, get answers from those team members, discuss the important topics at hand, agree with each other, disagree, and give feedback on different discussions. On our end, we'll be using our AI and machine learning, where we've got this amazing discussion analyzer that'll deep dive into your discussions, automatically providing you with immediate analytics and guidance for making decisions, coming to conclusions on any of those discussions that you're having. Today on this brief demo, what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how to start and access discussions on Microsoft Teams, as well as show you how to access the analytics, customize your analytics to provide you with even more beneficial feedback. So let's get started. Now, as you can see on my screen here, we've got a Microsoft Teams environment open. And I'm going to show you the two different ways to use it on Microsoft Teams, because you can use it both within your discussion in that channel or in a tab. And then we're also going to go jump into how to look at the analytics, how to edit the analytics, and make sure that you have customized analytics for you, your team, your partners, etc. So this discussion is in a tab. Let's start there, where you can see when you go to a tab, I have a tab already open, but as those familiar with Teams should know already, you can basically open up a new Mentio tab by clicking Add a Tab, click on Mentio, and then you will see here two options. Either you create a new discussion, or you can actually just open up an existing discussion that's been happening before. So we're going to go with an existing discussion. It's all really easy to use, and the main idea is that, and this is an iframe straight into our website, so you're really able to see exactly what you see on Mentio. You can see the question that was asked, any background information, which team members, participants are in this discussion, follow all different things like the highlights of the discussion, and you can kind of play around here and always, of course, be in touch with us if you have questions. Now, all of the answers that your team are providing throughout time are all going to appear here in these cards. You can click around to see more of them. And one of the things you'll notice is that in every single one of these, you've got a score at the top, which is what our discussion analyzer is providing you with. Based on the feedback, based on the discussions, as well as machine learning that's analyzing your team members over time and learning more and more about how people are interacting with each other. You'll also notice general discussion analytics that are down here that tell you in general what's going on in the discussion, how much activity, from which departments, which type of participants, and where the activity is at now. Now, I'm going to jump back to the main channels to show you what it looks like there, and then we'll also go into a little bit more about the analytics. Another way you can have these discussions, let's go into a different channel, is right here inside of this channel, you can open up a card with the button that's down here. Now this is really helpful because then it kind of pops up in everyone's face right at the bottom here, and it continues in the card. So as you notice over here, we've got this discussion, which is specifically a tab, which also jumps up for everybody. But over here, this one is a card that will continue to, as people add more feedback, to show up right at the bottom here. So if you click on the Mentio logo at the bottom, and if it's not there, you click on the three dots and you can pin it to the bottom. You can again see all discussions that you've had in the past, or add a new discussion. But once there's already a discussion going on, it collapses itself automatically and you can open it up. And note how we've got all the answers here as well. So people can see a question that's been asked, whether it be a discussion about your company, your product, questions you're asking your customers, questions that you're asking internally, questions that you've got going on with your business advisors, etc. It's a great way to collaborate together with all of these different people. So you ask that question, people can then answer the question. Within each answer, you can agree with it, disagree with it, give it a thumbs up, thumbs down. You can say why you disagree with it. Giving this context is going to be hugely valuable as opposed to a traditional, I guess, like scoring mechanism where you're just doing a thumbs up. But really giving context here is what's going to add a lot of the value and help influence the analyzer. You can also view all the replies to any answer by clicking on that button there. And again, you can see a view into this discussion and see that structure. The beauty is that you've got a really quick view into what are the best answers just by seeing the score, but you can always deep dive and see all the answers as well, and all the feedback. Now let's go back to our tab here. We've got a question here. And note how within the tab, each answer, you can either see all those replies that we were just looking at, or you can click analytics. When viewing the analytics, you can see some really interesting information. Now let's jump into our website, and I'll show you what that looks like on our website and how you can then also customize those analytics. So by clicking on the button, if you missed that, there's a button right here that jumps to the website. So when you jump to the website here, you can now see on the Mentio platform itself all the discussions you've had and all of the answers that have been provided, all the comments, etc. So notice here again, you've got the general discussion analytics, but we want to look a little bit further in. Each one of these answers is a card, and I want to see the analytics for his post, let's say. And with each one, you can kind of click around and note how what you'll see here is a breakdown by the industry. Now this we're going to customize, and I'll show you that in a moment. But this we can customize. Here we've got industry and geolocation. And you can see that with each answer, besides having this quick, easy to understand score, you also are able to see which kind of departments or which kind of geos or which kind of company sizes, whatever it is you want to define, who's providing feedback that's positive to the discussion and who's providing negative feedback. So that you can make a decision and say, okay, well, answer number 1 might have a 9.5, but answer number 2 has a 9.0, and you know what? The support's coming from exactly the most important people for me for this specific discussion. Now let's just go quickly into editing, into the settings. You can go up here to My Team Settings. And this is only an admin page. No one should have access but the admin. But here what you're able to do is see all the users that are in this discussion. You can set other people as admin. And you can also look over here in the geolocation and industry are the 2 that we've already defined, but there'll be 3 always. If you haven't added it, you can add a new segment here, or you can add the segment name, add different types of values, whether it be, let's say you were to say company size, add a value of S&B, enterprise, mid-market, hit save, and now you've got a whole new department of company size, and with each person you can then define them with what size company they're coming from. And then when you're looking through the analytics on every discussion, you now have another way to break down the discussion and understand who's giving that feedback and where is it coming from. So that's what I wanted to share with you guys today about how to use Mentio. For more information and for seeing more demos of how to use more aspects of Mentio, feel free to check us out on YouTube. You can always contact us at hello@mentio with any questions. Have a great day. Thank you so much for joining us.